Welcome to ServiceUp, the fleet repair platform built to centralize repair and maintenance in one place. ServiceUp gives fleet operators full visibility and control over every repair, helping reduce downtime and run a more profitable operation. Let's take a look at how the platform works. All repairs, approvals, and communications live in a single dashboard, giving you a real-time view of what's happening across your fleet. From the moment a repair is created to the moment a vehicle is back on the road, everything stays connected and easy to follow. Access a national network of repair providers, or invite and manage your own preferred shops. Choose who works on your vehicles based on location, performance, cycle time, or price. Over time, the platform shows you which shops deliver the best results for your fleet. AI-powered, policy-driven estimate reviews help enforce your pricing, warranty, and maintenance rules. That means faster approvals, fewer surprises, and more consistent decisions across every repair. Track cycle time, repair costs, and shop performance in one place. Spot bottlenecks, compare vendors, and use real-time data to improve fleet uptime and control repair spend. We also offer managed repair services. We handle shop selection, approvals, and logistics end-to-end, while you keep full visibility and control through the platform. Want to see it in action? Visit ServiceUp.com and schedule a time to chat. ServiceUp, the future of fleet repair.